I've always dreamed of working for myself, being able to work wherever I wanted, whenever I wanted. You see all these people quitting their corporate jobs and getting out of the rat race and taking up full-time content creating. And you think to yourself, should I start a YouTube channel? It took me a while, but I finally decided to do so. I started this channel 6 months ago, and although I've not yet reached my goal of sustaining my living through YouTube, I have still learnt a lot, and I hope I can share with others who are starting their journey. First off, let's talk about the grind. When I first started, I thought I'd be hitting those big numbers in no time. But here's the truth.
Things move way slower than you expect.
Whether it's views or subscribers, it's a test of patience. Imagine planting a tree and expecting it to grow overnight. That's not gonna happen. The YouTube game is all about consistency and endurance. The longer you're in the game, the better your chances of success. So buckle up because it's a long ride. Next, let's tackle a common truth. No one cares. And honestly, that's a good thing. Me and you, we're just another random person on the internet. And when you're starting out, this can actually be your secret weapon. Why? Because the pressure is off. Use this time to experiment, to discover your style, to make mistakes, and to learn from them. This is your time to grow and improve without the weight of expectations. Next, and perhaps most importantly, value is everything. Why do people click on your video? They want something out of it. Whether it's to be entertained, educated, or inspired. You could have the flashiest visuals and best audio, but if your content doesn't provide value, viewers will go elsewhere. Always ask yourself, what can my audience gain from this video? Make sure you're delivering something worth their time. Lastly, another big lesson, give yourself grace and celebrate the small wins. It's easy to get caught up in chasing big milestones like hitting 100k subs. If you focus too much on the end goal, you'll miss out on the journey. Think about it. If you get 30 views, that's like filling a classroom with people watching your content. If you get 200 views, that's a movie theater. 500 views, that's an auditorium. Every view counts and every viewer matters. Appreciate each step forward, no matter how small. Those are just some of the lessons that I learned starting a YouTube channel. Keep pushing, keep creating, and enjoy the journey.